I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing.
Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. My name is Dr. Asma Zafar and today we will be discussing orthodontics and aligners. So when we talk about braces, the first thing that comes to our mind is a lot of metal in your mouth. Now imagine a world where straightening your teeth is no longer a metal mouth ordeal. Orthodontics has come a long way and now we have more options than ever to achieve that perfect smile. Now let's dive into the latest trends in teeth straightening. The most important revolution in orthodontics nowadays, and in fact the most popular one as well, is clear aligners. Clear aligners, also known as the invisible revolution, have taken the orthodontic world by storm. These transparent removable trays gently shift your teeth into place without the metal brackets and wires of traditional braces. Other than being convenient, they are also very comfortable and discreet. The question is, how do they work? So custom-made aligners are prepared and they keep on gradually moving your teeth. Now the next question is, who should use clear aligners? Clear aligners are perfect for teenagers and also for adults who are very conscious about their aesthetics. If we look beyond clear aligners, we have many other orthodontic advancements that can be used as well. Let's discuss those. Out of many other innovative options, we have self-ligating braces. What's so innovative about self-ligating braces is that they use a special clip instead of rubber bands to hold the wire in place. This reduces the friction, making treatment faster and more comfortable. Now that we're talking about braces, there's another kind which is gaining a lot of popularity now. And these are known as the lingual braces. These braces are attached to the inside of your teeth, making them virtually invisible. So anyone who wants a completely discreet orthodontic treatment, this is the best option for those people. Now that we have a lot of different options to choose from, how do we know which option to choose? Selection of the best orthodontic treatment depends on various factors, including the severity of your misalignment, your lifestyle, and your personal preferences, and especially considering your oral hygiene. And of course, it is very crucial to talk to your orthodontist to determine the most suitable option. That was it for today. Please consider liking and sharing this video. Thank you so much.